Hi, this is IK. Welcome to From PHP to React. The biggest confusion was declarative programming. If you didn't prepare, it is big confusion. Declarative programming I define as books, novel, very fat novel of 1,000 pages, go back invisible, and on the screen stay only some sentence. And what you can know from that some sentence. And here is so in React that declarative. All React is in declarative programming. After index.html would be called index.js. And excellent example is index.js. Look at, we import what we need. We declare container. It is document index.html, method get element by the root. It is container. It is known PHP programmers. And but this declaration of root, we have create root and function, and container is parameter. What and root.render, and we start our React application, React Redux application. It is index.js is entry point. What happened here? Here we abstract possibility to show actual document object model. React, there is 3 document object model. First is index.html. It is one document object model. By that document object model, we call this kind of application single page application, because view source see only index.html. But through div root in index.html, there is HTML element ID root div. We will see all React application result of that user interface. It is library for user interface, front end. All that we see through element root. And it is root here, declaration of root. It is declaration on fundament of it is abstraction of our React application. And this is important, create root. That function with the container parameter create fundament, create application, create fundament React application, create root. It is declarative programming. And like here, you have in all other places function, and that function create what we need. And you don't know that code. You don't know how. It is very popular in all text about declarative. We don't know how. We know only what we want. We want a React application. We want and see that user interface, see through div, through element root, named root, ID root. We want it, but how we don't. And all code is in background, work for us, and we don't need a lot of coding. We have not boilerplate, a lot of boilerplate. Like in programming imperative like PHPs, we create again and again we coding class and class, how many class we want, or if we use procedural programming, we coding and coding a lot of code again and again for every application, again and again. Here, for every application, we use create root. We use that to declaration, and we start a root after that, like this render is method of that root. Look at root, render. We don't know where it is. Where is the code of that? Where? No, nothing. Root.render and go ahead. Provider here is because we in this application I use Redux. Look at, for example, post slice. Post slice is a reducer. Reducer in store. It is Redux store and reducer inside store. Here is also import what we need, but declarative programming is like write in some forms. Here write name, here is a surname, here born, date of birth, etc., etc. And now is here, for example, you see again create slice, and that function create slice, there is in the background all code what need. We only use a function create slice, and this post slice, it is a post reducer. It is a reducer for state posts. It is array of posts, and that how many state, so many slice, and if you ask yourself what is background, it is not important for us. Create slice up, create asynchron tank. Asynchron tank is a function what we need when we work with Redux. Create asynchron tank. Create slice, create asynchron tank. And you see extra reducer, builder, add case. This tank function communicate with this method add case, etc. But you don't know how. I don't know how. How, it is not important. Our goal, we need a reducer, and all behind that will be created for us, will be built. And for PHP programming, like I am always teacher. I not never work like programming, but work like teacher. And in PHP, you know all from scratch. You code all. What you don't code, you don't have it. Here, there is no coding again and again, same, not coding from scratch, coding is behind the scene. And at first, it is confusion because PHP programmer must have connection, must know how this return response data, how it goes to extra reducer, how it goes to method add case, etc. But it is not visible here, and you don't need deep find for it. It is not important. What you want, only that. And most confused and most like you when you have practice and when you understand all what happened here. Thank you for watching this video.